Now, if you want to know how to make thick, creamy, delicious keto and gluten-free mayonnaise in just 2 minutes, then keep watching. This is by far the best mayonnaise that I've ever tasted, so don't lose out. Make it today. It's really easy. Let's have a look at the ingredients. Now, the ingredients are really simple. All you're going to need is 1 egg at room temperature, some lemon juice, freshly squeezed and strained is the best, some Dijon mustard, some salt, I prefer the pink Himalayan table salt, and some extra mild olive oil. Normal olive oil, the flavor can be a little bit overwhelming. Some people use avocado oil and that's fine. That's good, but olive oil is a little bit cheaper, so I use that. And then you'll need a stick blender and a jar. That's all there is to it, so let's get on with it. That's how easy it is. So let's give it a try. It's got a clean, fresh, creamy taste with a slight tang, which makes it superb. You should try this. Now, if you enjoyed this, please give us the thumbs up here, share it there, and subscribe to this channel there. Thanks very much for watching.